Welcome to yet another unboxing video here on my channel. This is Andy in Singapore and I've got this package that just came in from DHL, came all the way from Sweden. Alright, so it's a really big and sturdy box. I'm just going to cut open and see what we've got inside here. Okay, so we've got this neat little envelope here. Just see what they've got inside here. Thank you! We hope you enjoy your purchase. I'll just put this aside and I'll read the content later on. So we have the inner box here. Again, this one here is a full-size box. Big, bulky. Alright, so this is like the standard type of retail box if you buy from a big brand, okay? And just take a look here. MAEN. Alright, I think that's how you pronounce the brand. I have no confirmation. If you know how to pronounce the brand correctly, please put your comments below. Alright, so let me just flip open this one here. Okay, wow. We've got a nice inner pouch inside. This is some sort of a leather inner pouch. Okay, ooh. And here you go. Ta-da! The MAEN Manhattan 37. Okay, so this one here was on pre-order way back in April, I think, and it finally went past all the checks and got delivered to me after a long wait. Alright, it's not that I mind, it's okay because I'm not in a hurry to wear it. Okay, so this is one of those really good quality type of travel pouch or travel box. Alright, individual travel pouch. I think if you were to buy this one on its own, it's going to cost like minimally, what, $50 I think? Alright, so overall really good quality. Okay, so here's a closer look at the MAEN Manhattan 37. So this is the no date version of the blue dial variant. Okay, so I always love watches with no date, and this one here at the time of launch just seems like it was too good to miss out on. And now with all the packaging out of the way and with the lens zoom in just very slightly, let's have a closer look at the MAEN Manhattan 37. Alright, so you know, on hand I can see all this beautiful looking vertical brushing on the bezel as well as the top of the case here. So this is some sort of integrated bracelet design, not quite original. I think the owners of MAEN, they were very honest about it. This is some sort of a homage to an older VC model, if I'm not wrong. I'm loving this very thin and flat links type of bracelet that is so in trend these days, alright, with all the PRX and all that. So, you know, all this integrated bracelet look. So I think this one overall looks fantastic. First impressions here are very good. Let me do a really quick wrist shot for you to see how it fits. Okay, so this is a really good size for a non-round face type of watch, because if the watch is not round, if it's rectangular or cushion shape or TV or tonneau shape, you don't want to be too overly big. So at 37, I think this is the sweet spot for this kind of design. There's also a really nice texturing going on this blue dial here. Just take a look at the light play. Alright, fantastic. So let me just quickly go on and check the handset alignment at 6 o'clock. Alright, nice. Let's see, 9 o'clock. Okay, looks good. So 12 o'clock. Alright, so everything looks legit. And the movement used in this watch is a Ronda R150. So it is like the direct counterpart to the 2824s and the SW200s. And it does have a go state position on this one. Alright, so I think this is understandable. Like I've mentioned in my earlier videos with regards to movement. So if you were to custom make the movement without the date wheel, or if you order a smaller batch without date wheel, it's going to cost quite a bit more, alright, than having the readily made movements. As such, you're seeing many brands using date wheel movements even though there is no date complication shown on the dial here. Okay, the winding here is really smooth, but I think it's a little bit noisy. Alright, You can hear it even at this distance here, right, that the winding is pretty loud, okay? Pretty sure that's not a problem, okay? It's just the way it is, all right? And we've got a more or less sterile case back with minimal engravings and text going on. Overall, I'm still loving the shape and the overall design of the Manhattan. I think, you know, it certainly looks different from the world of dive watches or field watches out there. Alright, so I've also taken off the protective film here. Just take a look at how this flat link bracelet here goes with the light play. Alright, fantastic. And of course there's this dial here we're looking at. Really cool looking design overall. So stay tuned for the full length review after I spend some time with this watch. This is Andy in Singapore. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.